My name is Evan, and I'm part of the customer success team here at Knowledge Anywhere. Today, I'll guide you through our powerful assessment tool, designed to help you create engaging and insightful assessments, some of which using the power of AI. To create an assessment, we go to the Content section and select Add Course, and then Assessment. You'll see an interface similar to creating an e-learning course, with information and configuration tabs, along with this Assessment tab. On this Assessment tab, you can customize your assessment by setting a passing score or remove it altogether. Our assessment tool allows you to generate quizzes and tests from documents, text, or creating manually. This helps reinforce learning and evaluate retention effectively. There's Manual, which is creating the questions one by writing out each individual question and their answers. Text, where you will copy-paste up to 15,000 characters to generate questions automatically. And Create via Document. This converts existing applicable documents into assessment questions using the power of AI. We need to add an assessment to the course itself. So, you can see here, I'm creating the actual assessment via a document. You'll see this screen when utilizing the AI creation options, text or document. Configure the intro text and decide on the type of questions and the number of questions you want to generate. Skipping ahead a little bit, once the course has been created, be sure to activate your assessment by flipping the toggle here. Clicking the actual assessment name will bring you to this screen where you can edit the assessment in more detail. All questions are stored in the question pool. After creating a quiz, manage your questions here. You can also add more questions pools and add additional questions to them. For example, maybe you want 3 question pools of easy, medium, and hard questions. By selecting a question pool, you can choose how many questions from that pool you want appearing when the assessment is taken by your learners. On the Questions and Answers tab, you can edit or delete a question here. Let's edit a question. Sometimes you may need to alter a question or answer for whatever reason. In addition, you can also randomize the answer order with this checkbox here. It's an additional measure to ensure no learners try to memorize the order. After pressing save, you'll be directed to the question pool the question is housed in. That's it. For further assistance, please contact our customer success team at support@knowledgeanywhere.com. Thank you for watching.